How to use Avvo legal consultation scheduling properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Avvo makes booking consultations with attorneys fast, but most beginners mishandle the scheduling process, costing time, money, or even losing potential legal support. Most people get this wrong, but here's why proper use is crucial. The first mistake is failing to provide complete information when requesting a consultation. Lawyers need details about your legal issue to prepare. Vague descriptions like "I need legal help" can result in mismatched consultations or wasted appointments. Another common error is not verifying attorney credentials. Avvo shows ratings and reviews, but it's important to confirm experience, licensing, and specialties match your needs. Choosing the wrong attorney can delay solutions or create additional costs. Many users forget to check availability and time zones. Scheduling without confirming can lead to missed calls or double bookings. Always review the attorney's calendar and allow for reminders. Overlooking cost expectations is another pitfall. Some consultations are free, others charge hourly rates. Not clarifying fees beforehand can result in unexpected bills. Confirm costs upfront to avoid surprises. Finally, some assume Avvo consultations replace ongoing legal representation. Complex cases often require extended support, documentation review, and follow-ups. Use Avvo as a starting point, not a full solution. To use Avvo legal consultation scheduling properly, provide detailed case information, verify credentials, confirm scheduling and time zones, clarify costs, and understand the scope of the consultation. Avoid these mistakes, and you'll maximize your consultation's effectiveness while saving time and money.